What are you doing, Bug? You're walking in the street.
This is a picture of her.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Look at you walking. Look at you walking.
Here goes the little dog.
Come on, Bug. Daddy. Don't touch the ground. It's yucky. It's yucky. Come on, Bug. Come on.
Oh, were you recording and I messed it up?
Oh, no.
Come here, didn't you?
Her whole life is being recorded.
Isn't that the truth?
That's the way of the world these days, though. Absolutely.
And I won't let her cross. I can't believe it done hurt her knees.